What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV Daily. We have one story today, but multiple stories within that one story. It's about the Samsung Galaxy Lives, also known as the Samsung Galaxy Bean Buds or Bud Beans, whatever you want to call them. They'll be the successor to the Galaxy Buds and Bud Pluses. They will have active noise cancellation built into them so that when you're on an airplane or walking down the street, it'll block out a lot of that outside noise, and it should just have bigger and badder sound overall. And badder, I mean good, not bad meaning bad, but bad meaning good. Let's jump into what we know. First of all, Samsung has officially confirmed new buds. So here's Samsung's official tweet from July 17th saying, experience the new power of sound unpacked on August 5th, 2020. It shows a little music note and then another music note, and then eventually it just says Galaxy Unpacked. And as Ice Universe says, remember kids, please don't eat your Galaxy Bud Beans. Here's a closer look at the three colors that we'll get. This is the bronze. Next we see the white, which the white, it looks shiny and great right there. So I'd choose white so far. And then black, so white or black for me for the Galaxy Bud Beans. Image of somebody actually wearing them looks computer generated to me, at least the person in there, but it shows them in your ear. They don't look so much like a kidney bean, just the way they rest in there. They just look like earphones to me at that point, so they don't look too wild while they're in your ear. Here's another image showing the backside and the front side of the new Bud Beans. You can see it does indicate which bud you're putting in your ear in the middle of it on the inside of the bud itself. It's got a charging connector, it's got speakers in there to amplify the sound inside of your ear. And then on the outside of it, it looks like it has a microphone or two microphones maybe at the top and the bottom, at least one in there. I'm assuming it's gonna have multiple just because of the fact that the last one did as well to improve the sound and improve the quality of your voice when you're talking on the phone. And then lastly, here's a little video of the buds popping out of the bronze case, and it shows the three colors side by side on here. And we're just weeks away at this point. Today is what, I don't even know what today is, July 18th. So 10 days is July 28th. So about 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks out from actually seeing these buds live on screen, and we'll know everything about them. What do you guys think? What do you think the final price is going to be? And are you gonna buy them? Let me know in the comments down below. I'm still working on getting the price of those and the actual release date for the Galaxy Bud Beans or the Galaxy Bud Lives for you, whatever they end up calling them. And I'll let you guys know once, and hopefully I'll get that information before Samsung Unpacked, but they will definitely be at Samsung Unpacked. Thanks for watching. See you down the road. Peace.